The very first thing that we're going to start with today is when you sign into your desktop in college today, we will get you organized with regards to setting up folders for your different modules. So if you sign in first of all into scfe.ie, which is Sally Noggin College page. So we might just take a minute for me with the internet. It's a little bit slow today. So scfe.ie, click on that. And then if you go to the small envelope icon just here, double tap on that. And we go to OneDrive. Now OneDrive is there for you to save all your documents, files and folders in the cloud. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up a new folder. So click here, test folder, and we're going to call it College Work. And we're going to create it. So folders like your filing cabinet. So it appears here, you'll see, College Work. And within our filing cabinet, what we're going to do is we're going to open up folders for each of the modules that we are doing. So I'll just do a couple now for you. So new folder, and we have word processing. Create. Okay, so word processing is opened here, and within the word processing, we will be able to file all our documents for our word processing class. Now, if you are a floristry student, you can open up your new folder and you would have retail selling. And we're going to create a folder for that. So everything that you do with retail selling on the computer, you can file into here. We'll just do one more for you, new folder, and we're going to call this one Communications, and create. Now, because you are doing QQI level 5, you will have 8 of these already. So once you have each of your folders open or your filing cabinets open for each of your modules, and once you have them set up, when you're doing work within the college or remotely, you will be able to save them into your OneDrive. So OneDrive is Microsoft's version of the cloud. So it's really, really wonderful. It means that you'll be able to check and do your work remotely or in college, and you'll be able to save it to one central place. You'll also be able to share some of those documents with your teachers when you need to, or work together on documents as well. We'll look at that later down the line. So I hope that helps you in setting up your folders for each of your modules, and I will put this little video onto the Moodle site for you. Thank you.